guys. Oh man, it is completely coming down. And Bailey, you can talk if you want. By the way, Bailey is out here again.
Oh boy, the weather outside is crazy as hell.
Hail. I just saw a piece of hail.
Man, what the hail?
Oh my god. Oh, good lord. It's getting dangerous. It's getting dangerous, man. Okay, Bailey, it's getting dangerous, man. I'm gonna have to put the iPad in my room.
You said there was gonna be a flood, Tyler?
Yeah, I got a flash flood warning. I think we are getting it. Guess what? This is literally...
You better be lucky and hope that your house isn't gonna flood, because that ain't gonna be pretty.
It literally almost... It was like a... Like... What's that word I'm looking for? It was like less than a quarter of an inch away from my house in September of last year. Oh, shoot. Disconnected the call in accident.
Did it disconnect the call?
On accident. Sorry, man. Bailey, are you on?
Oh yeah, I'm still on.
Uh-oh. Hold on, man. Can you see?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my god, look at this.
Are you still recording?
Hold on, man. Yeah, you can still see. Look at this pond.
Oh my.
Sorry, why is it backwards? Let me try to
Still
fix
recording,
this.
Tyler.
There we go. Look at that.
Is that a flood? Is that mud?
Yes, it is, sadly. The sun's slightly coming out, though. But that was a lot of water in a few seconds.
Yeah, it's getting close to flooding, huh, Tyler?
I think it is. Look at the roads. It's hard to see, but the roads are going like they're going like this. See?
I asked you a question, Tyler.
What?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, because I was...
And I see a rainbow.
We gotta get this video.
Okay, let's do the Google Plus video now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.